What's up, guys? So another Sunday hike. This time I got a special guest with me, the Johnny Boy, real life.
What's going on?
No, real life Johnny Boy on Instagram. Follow the boy, you know what's going on. Sorry for the cuss word. So today we're doing Etiwanda Falls. What time is it? 9 in the morning.
Real nice.
We're already tired. We're like literally a minute in. No, I'm just kidding. This is my second time going on this hike, but this time I'm actually going to record on it. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the top. There's a little spot off the trail where you can see like the man sewer kind of thing place, a little fountain that I'm gonna show right after this. Just a little spot you could, check out the creek from. It's definitely sketchy. I wouldn't recommend going down there. I'm sure people go down there, but I wouldn't. Huh? If you want to end up on that cross right there. Where's that cross at? Jeez. Can't zoom in on. Oh, I can. R.I.P. man. Got here, boy. Something light, right? You could go down there too. I'm gonna walk down here. Dude, look at that sick waterfall right there. Right there. So, how you like the hike, bro? It's pretty easy, huh? Not too bad?
Not too bad. It's lit though.
It's lit.
Word.
So as you saw, we finally got up here. I think it's 1.7 on the way up here. So it wasn't too bad. It was an incline spot, but it wasn't too bad. So here's the waterfall. It's after a few days of rain. I saw there's snow up here further up, so I don't know if it's melting snow coming back down. So that's pretty sick. So as you see, it's raging right now. And there's actually a cool water pool down there somewhere. I'll get a better video of it. My boy Johnny trying to risk his life over there. Hey! That shit lit right there. Hey Johnny, do you want to go swimming? I mean... Like even right here is pretty lit. kept on going up towards the creek. Last time that I came, I actually just stopped at the main waterfall there. But this time with me and my boy Johnny, we decided we got some time. Actually, we don't, because we got homework to do and got studying to do for our classes. But we're gonna keep on going up the creek and see what we find. But yeah, most people stop at the main waterfalls down there. So if you have time, make sure you just come out here and just keep going up and keep exploring. Get it? I mean. Try to get off the beaten trail. So as we keep on going, it's a little bit less of a trail. As you can see, we might go up a little bit further. We're wondering if there's like another water hole going up this way, but maybe not. And we kind of don't have all day to keep on exploring. So we'll see how far we go. We found another opening over here.
Oh yeah.
Right there. Let's check this out. I'm sure not a lot of people come this way, especially with their families. They might feel a little bit sketch. Oh, it's nice up here too. A little rainbow vibe. Get it, brother? All right, guys, so we got to the waterfalls. We got to the main one that everybody goes to, Etiwanda waterfall, the main one. As you saw, we went up the creek, found another few cool spots that we found. Kept on wandering, and we took the other way after the main waterfall. We kept on climbing. Not a lot of people come up here because they think that maybe it ends over there or something. So just keep following. You follow the two streams that lead up to the main waterfall. One is really cool because it's a lot of like streams and stuff, or like a long stream and different small waterfalls. But the other one, which is once you get to the waterfall, the one on the left, that one's pretty cool because there's more waterfalls. We just passed a waterfall, and here's another one behind me. Not a lot of people come to these, I'm guessing. I didn't come here last time I came, so definitely explore, keep going, and you'll definitely find some hidden spots that people probably don't know about. We kept on going up, more and more waterfalls. Look at this one over here. I would say these are kind of hidden. I mean, there's people tagging on them and stuff, but not a lot of people come over here.
Made it to the end.
Should we keep going or not?
Let's get it.
Boy, you gotta do homework.
Swim up the waterfall.
Damn, it's beautiful out here, man. So many hidden little waterfalls. Just keep going up the stream, man. It's crazy. Keep exploring, guys. You'll find some pretty cool stuff. Just keep going. What is up, guys? So that concluded the Etiwanda Falls Trail. If you're new here, you're welcome. You're more than welcome to subscribe. If you like the videos, give it a like, a thumbs up, a share. I hope you guys can make it out here one day soon and keep adventuring, man. Keep exploring. Until next time.